Today we will discuss about the tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle that we are discussed, and what are all the results we are seeing. Okay, that to be we are discussed, and let's go to the study circuit.
Today we will discuss the tricarboxylic cycle or citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. So in that Krebs cycle, it is used to generate through the oxidation of acetyl CoA. So it is also used for the synthesis of NADH, and it is also used for the production of amino acids. So and also in that Krebs cycle, it takes place in the mitochondria of eukaryotes and cytosol of prokaryotes. So when the pyruvate, which is derived from the glucose, which containing 6 carbon compounds, so it splits into two molecules and to form a 3 carbon compounds. So when the pyruvate, which is converted, so when the pyruvate, which is oxidized acetyl CoA, so by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase, so which containing 2 carbon compounds. So when the acetyl CoA, which is combines with the oxaloacetate, okay, so when the acetyl CoA, which is combined with the oxaloacetate and to form a citrate, so which containing 6 carbon compounds. So in this reaction, the enzyme which is citrate synthetase, which is catalyzed. So when the 6 carbon compounds which is formed, so when the oxaloacetate, which containing 4 carbon compounds, acetyl CoA, which containing 6 carbon compounds, and to form a 2 carbon compounds, when 4 plus 2, which is form a 6 carbon compounds. So when the citrate, which is converted into a isocitrate, so which by the enzyme is aconitase. So when the isocitrate, which is converted into a, actually in that isocitrate, which is oxidized and to form a alpha ketoglutarate, okay, so by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. So when the NAD, which is reduced into a NADH, so when the CO2 is released, so in that alpha ketoglutarate, which converted into a succinyl CoA, so by the enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. So when the 5 carbon compounds, which converted into a 4 carbon compounds, when the CO2 is released, so when NAD is reduced into a NADH, so when the succinyl CoA, which is converted into a succinate by the enzyme succinyl CoA synthase, so when the molecule GTP is released, so when the succinate, which converted into a fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, so when the QH2 is released, so when the QH2 is produced FADH2, so when the fumarate is converted into a malate, so by the enzyme fumarase, so when the malate, which is converted into a oxaloacetate, so by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, so in this reaction NAD is reduced into a NADH. So when the oxaloacetate, which is converted into a citrate by the enzyme citrate synthase, which containing 4 carbon compounds. So in this reaction, so what are all the results we will observe? That means uh, when the 3 molecules of NADH, 1 molecule of FADH2, 1 molecule of GTP, and 2 molecules of CO2. So when the each molecule of glucose, this cycle runs into a twice. So this cycle runs for each molecule of glucose, which runs into a twice. So that's why, so 3 NADH converted into a 6 NADH, 1 FADH to converted into a 2 FADH2, 1 molecule of GTP converted into a 2 molecules of GTP, and 2 CO2 converted into a 4 CO2. So what are all the result when these reactions, okay, they are going into a electron transport chain, so for the generation of ATP.